Hello everybody, welcome back to Red Shirt Video. It's going to be another hot one today. Although the temperature is starting to drop some, and in about 2 weeks it's going to be 8 to 10 degrees less hot during the day. Frank's in the truck and he's pretty hot. The air conditioner doesn't work in the truck, so maybe going to fire up the little camper here after a while, let him sit in there with that air conditioner going. But so a lot of what's been going on lately has either been about the tractor or mowing, because that's really all that's been going on. Haven't been doing much work inside the tiny house. Hopefully in a few weeks. I've been trying to shop for a few implements for the tractor so that I can get more work done on the property. One of them is I've been wanting to find a box blade. Been shopping for a little while and I had my hands on a couple of them, but they got sold out from under me. I found this about 30 or 40 minutes south of where I live, and I was able to go out there and pick it up. These things new, from what I can tell, they seem to be about $1,000, $1,200. This is a 4-foot one. I was able to pick this up for $300, so got a pretty good deal on it. A lot of times when you buy these things, hey neighbor. A lot of times when you buy these things, they're supposed to come with these hooks for digging. I don't know how much I'll use them, but usually when you buy them used, they're missing, or one or more of them are missing. This one is supposed to have 4, and actually it came with 5, so I have an extra one. When I showed up to load this up, there wasn't any help or any mechanical way to get it in the truck. I had to do it myself. And unfortunately, I'm an old man and it was hot. I do have some loading ramps that I used that I put behind the truck when I bought my zero turn and I was able to drive up into the truck. I took those with me and they extend out about so far. These things, I Googled it, and what I learned was that these are anywhere from 250 to 400 pounds. And this is heavy. I don't know how heavy it is, but it's every bit of 250 for sure. So I was able to back right up to it, and then I would just lift one side, scoot it about 6 or 8 inches up onto the ramp, and then I'd go around to the other side and pick that up and scoot that up. I did have to take several resting breaks because I got too hot. And anyway, it took me about, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe to get it in the back of the truck, but here it is. Next thing you see, I'm going to try to get the tractor and get this out of the truck. So let's see how that goes. So in the last video, you probably saw me put these hooks on the back side of my bucket here. This is why we wanted to do it. All right, let's see if this works. So you have to realize at this point that I'm still learning what this tractor can do, and I've never done anything like this, and this piece of equipment is heavy. So turns out I was quite surprised at how easily it did it. Oh yeah, this Oh, that's great. Yeah. She's a heavy girl. There we go. Now we got some slack. Okay. So I bought this quick hitch, and it doesn't fit my tractor properly because this top link is too long. And I've been having trouble finding a shorter one that would work. I think I found one at Tractor Supply, and I'm going to buy it in the next day or two, probably. And then that would allow this to stand up more. Anyway, the other thing is on this attachment, these pins are turned around backwards. And I got to take them off and flip it around so the pins can catch right here. I'm not going to do that today because I need to get mowing, and I don't have the top link anyway. So I think I'm just going to leave this sitting right here, and then I'm going to try to get what I need and get these turned around, and then I'll be able to put this attachment on the back of that tractor, and it should work pretty good. So anyway, I think that's going to be it for this. Now, something else I may do is I may put a coat of paint on this and try to spruce it up just a little bit. But yeah, a little further down the road, ready for another day. So 1 week later, I got the new top link purchased and installed. I also got the lower pins flipped around. So this is just perfect. These lock that pin in there. Now they make a collar that will increase the size of the diameter of this shaft, this pin. So I'm going to have to get those, keep it from wobbling around in there. But this thing I had trouble with from the get-go, and it looks like it's going to work now. Yep, that is perfect. All right. I was mowing and I got too close to that water faucet and I nicked it off. Okay, fixed, good as new. Fortunately, I had some pipe fittings in the barn and some glue. One thing I did differently this time is I turned it sideways so I won't hit it when I'm trying to mow up against it. Right in that shady area in front of that tree straight ahead When I bought this property, there was a mound of dirt, and it's still mounded up a little bit, but I leveled it out quite a bit. But all over the property, there's places where they had cut down trees and limbs and logs and dirt and trash into a mound, and then they would just try to burn it or leave it there. And what I've been finding as I'm cleaning up the property is there's a fair amount of trash in those mounds oftentimes. And I want to show you something over here. Right here on the edge of the area I was just showing you, I was mowing and I came across this, and I don't know what that is, but it's buried in there. Maybe eaten. There's a root there, I guess. Yeah, so anyway, I brought the tractor over here. I'm going to put one of those teeth under here, see if I can start lifting and digging that out a little bit and see what that is, because I don't want to run over that with my mower. I'm just trying to clean up the property whenever I can. It's a big metal plate of some kind. What is that? Go at it one more time. Did it get it? What is that? Looks like it says boxwood. And it's got a little tree or limb shape here. I wonder if that was a front to a piece of a wood burning stove or something. So I did find on the internet that there is a type of wood stove called a boxwood stove, and this is an example of that. Interesting. It's like a treasure hunt on this property. I'm always finding something that seems like it goes back pretty far.